standing.
Yeah.
She's standing.
Can you please stand up, please?
She's standing.
She is? Oh.
There. There.
So how did you arrive at this theme of double trouble?
I didn't arrive at this theme. I mean,
Honest.
we have a programming team that works. They ideate over a period of time, and every time they work on different creatives. And this time they came with the theme of double trouble because they found that what they plan to do in the house is going to be that much more exciting, and it's going to be fun.
Hi Salman,
Hi.
over here. Straight.
Yeah, we request you to please stand up when you have a question.
Yeah.
Salman, you know the tagline of Big Boss season 9 is mine is very catchy. And what brings you back to Big Boss year after year? Because last year you had said that you left the show halfway and now...
Yes. After you work 3 months, by that time you're exhausted, so everything keeps on coming into your head. But then there's a long association. And there's a huge connect with all the contestants inside. And as well as the whole, team, the Endemol team, the Colors team. So you start missing this whole thing after some time. I actually want to do something else, which we will do. So yes, studio leak ho raha, sir. Seriously? Something else. No. Yahan bhi ho raha na?
Over and above Big Boss.
So, what was I saying, sir?
You keep coming to Big Boss.
Yeah. So you start missing it, and मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि जो हमारी कंट्री है, जो हमारी कंट्री की यूथ है, वो एक दिशा में जा रही है. And I think Big Boss का ये जो शो है, it's a window to that because celebrities, पढ़े लिखे लोग आते हैं, जिनका एक माइंड है, जो टेलीविजन पे बोलने से कतराते नहीं, डरते नहीं हैं, कुछ ओवर ड्रामेटिकली कर जाते हैं, तो कुछ बहुत ही सटली कर जाते हैं, कोई दिल से लड़ते हैं तो कोई दिमाग से लड़ते हैं. तो इट्स बेसिकली ये जो हमारी दुनिया की खिड़की, हिंदुस्तान की खिड़की ये है. और फिर जो आप लोग टीवी पर देखते हो, आप लोग उसको एंजॉय करते हो. अगर एंजॉय नहीं करते तो देन आउट ऑफ थॉट के यार ये क्या है, आई वांट टू बी अ पार्ट ऑफ इट. बट एवरीवन एंजॉयज इट. नॉट ओनली दैट, everybody who has come out of the Big Boss house he's been working every single day. Most of them. So it gives me great pleasure, in guiding them in the right direction. Sometimes people go overboard. I said, क्या मैं इनका father हूँ, मैं इनका brother हूँ, मैं क्यों बोलूँ? But then एक दायरा होता है, because you cross that limit, it doesn't be entertainment anymore. You cross that limit, you don't get work outside. So I just make sure that no matter what, sometimes I get a lot of criticism for, getting into this. It's not my space. Like there was Mr. Bachchan as a host. Whatever happened in the house, he just, didn't react to what happened in the house. But I get involved. With these people, then most of them are in touch with me even after Big Boss is over. So I feel that once I am there, let me, be a part of this. And the reason every time मैं सोचता हूँ कि मैं ये show नहीं करूँगा, क्योंकि because it starts affecting me. That is the reason why I keep on saying, let it go, let's not do it. About relationships, that is where my connect is. मैं जितनी भी जो मेरे फादर की लाइफ की एक्सपीरियंस है, मेरी लाइफ की एक्सपीरियंस है, भाइयों की, दोस्तों की, जो भी लाइफ में देखा है अप्स एंड डाउन, वो मैं अगर इनके साथ शेयर कर सकता हूँ, then why not? That is my only thing for getting back to Big Boss all the time.
Hi,
I earlier did not agree with this name at all. I had a big, I said, no, double trouble. मेरी लाइफ में मुझे ट्रबल ही होता रहता है, ये होता रहता है. तो अच्छा इस बार डबल आएगा, मैं नहीं होगा यार, मैनेज नहीं होगा इस बार. तो then they said कि नहीं, this is the concept of the whole show. घर के अंदर ये होने वाला है, ऐसा होने वाला है, ऐसा होना. I thought it was funny, and I kept on saying that, have it double something else. But I think the team wanted double trouble, so I said, क्या फर्क पड़ता है?
Can we get him a mic, please?
We can hear him.
अभी पता नहीं, आप देखो अभी.
okay,
अगर मैं एक कहना चाहता हूँ,
ऐसा थोड़ी होगा कि सिर्फ लड़के जाएंगे या लड़की जाएंगे. जाएगा ना सर, सब जाएंगे. भिन्न भिन्न प्रकार के कैरेक्टर जाएंगे सर इस बार। अतरंगी सर।
I have a question for Mr. Jaikishan. You briefly touched upon it that last season was very good for you with the kind of branding and all. So what are you expecting this season? Because consecutively second.
There's no other platform in the country which gives you this access. And the idea is to kind of be a household brand, touching upon everything that you want to buy and make your dil giri.
All right.
हेलो सलमान जी
जी।
इसमें डबल ट्रबल है तो क्या आपके भी दो रूप देखने को मिलेंगे, प्रेम और दबंग?
मेरे तो आपको हमेशा इतने सारे रूप देखने को मिलते हैं और दो से क्या करोगे, 200 रूप देखने मिलते हैं आपको मेरे, और मैं आपको फ्रीली अलाउ भी करता हूँ।
हेलो
दो और चाहिए आपको?
और चाहिए बहुत
202 कर दूं मैं?
202 कर दूं।
चलिए आपके लिए।
Okay. And Mr. William, you have associated with Big Boss. This is the second time your association with Big Boss.
Yes.
So how was it help you to build brand like?
I think this is probably the most biggest and popular reality shows in India market. We agree that, and